take a jump right at us. What's up? I'm here. I was hoping that there would be some water in the river. We're here in Medicine Flat. So I'm on the river trail. In Kingston, Medicine Flat, as I said. One of my phones in Papi. I think we're heading to Papi when we're done. We're just coming from around the University Hospital. We're here. We're on the trail. In a package, straight from overseas. Come to Jamaica, we deal with customs, everything for you not to worry yourself. And then we come to your house, coming in Liberate. Or if you have work, workplace. So again, I want to big up all of my folks in Papi. All of Kingston big up myself, but especially today, right at this moment, working all of Kingston, but now we're in Medicine Flat. Out of the here, I check out the riverbed, dry right now, but if you look out, take a look, it's still good. Yeah, so as I said, we're on the trail, guys. We're on the trail, we get short, very, very short. And we are delivering the items. Alright, ship them with us, we get them delivered to you. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye bye.